Hi everyone, welcome back. This episode I'm going to be showing you the places that I've been to in a day in the life in autumn. So some places in New Jersey that I was able to go and capture the beautiful colors of fall. I had an amazing experience just shooting this video and just having a lot of fun with it. So hope you guys will enjoy what I captured. And I was also able to stop at a farm and pick up some of these apples. Apple picking is pretty big this time of the year, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of these videos. A beautiful day in November. Sipping my coffee, looking out the window. This tree captures my attention. It just reminds me fall will be gone before we know it. That inspired me to get out there and enjoy this beautiful day. My first stop was at this farm where people go to get horseback riding lessons. The beautiful sun made that morning even more beautiful. So I made a brief stop there to check it out. Seeing these beautiful horses, now I am inspired to add horseback riding lessons to my bucket list. I'm on my way to the next stop. Seeing these trees and colors, I am reminded of the breathtaking beauty gifted by the nature. Amazing colors. It looks as though the earth has turned into a garden. I am humbled and grateful to enjoy this beautiful day. My next stop is an apple farm. It was such a treat to see this apple galore, huge wooden containers filled with apples. I was just amazed to see that and so grateful. While driving around, I could not help to stop by the road and enjoy this mountain in its glory. The wind was blowing heavily, but still the beauty of the day did not diminish. This place reminded me of the little house on the prairie. Here I am having an awesome day. My next stop is another farm. This area has a lot of farms, and this farm in particular has so many apple trees. So let me show you. I have the tripod set in the car to capture this beautiful nature. I just cannot believe how the nature has turned all the trees to such beautiful colors. I am blessed to see this. This place has rows and rows of apple trees. I have to tell you, I was so tempted to bite into one of those apples. They look absolutely delicious. Seeing the nature this way is an absolutely beautiful experience. I felt like the whole farm, I had it to myself and just totally enjoying every minute of it. And the weather could not have been any more perfect. Beautiful apples. Feeling the sun and the wind on my face, it just felt amazing. This day could not have been any more perfect. Being out here felt so peaceful and joyful. As I was getting ready to leave the farm, so appreciative of the nature and the beauty that it has to offer, and so appreciative of life itself. next stop is a hidden treasure right around the corner. This place has all the elements of beauty. Small lakes, I believe these are man-made lakes, and it has some areas where people come to golf, and it also situated on a slope where you can see the beautiful hill, the trees, and the reflection of the trees in the water. Just breathtakingly beautiful. I'm just going to let the nature speak for itself. Please watch it and see how beautiful this place is. As I am shooting this scene, I realize I probably has only about 10 minutes before the sun sets, and the sun is hitting perfectly on the hill and illuminating the top of the trees. It was such a beautiful, unexplainable sight to watch. And if I had been there a little bit early, a little bit late, I may not been able to capture this. So I am thoroughly enjoying the God-given beauty to this place. The still water capturing the reflection of the trees is absolutely gorgeous. It looks so perfect, it looks like a painting. When I started this day, I had no idea exactly how many places I was going to see or where I was stopping. I was just doing it as the day was going. Total freedom, and it was a beautiful date with the fall and the nature. I am so grateful.